Hey everyone, and welcome back. It's amazing how cities are getting smarter these days, right?
Yeah,
And I'm not just talking about using a few apps here and there, but really tackling problems in ways we haven't seen before.
absolutely.
And for today's deep dive, we're focusing on Miami.
Interesting.
It's quickly becoming a hotbed for innovation, especially when it comes to AI and urban development.
For sure, for sure.
So, to help us unpack all of this, we're tapping into the work of Andres Vieira and the Miami Real Group.
Okay.
They've been doing some really insightful reporting on Miami's AI scene, and we're excited to dive into their findings.
Sounds good.
So, to kick things off, they recently covered the 5th annual Smart City Expo in Miami.
Right.
And it sounds like it was more than just your typical tech gathering.
Yeah.
From what they've described, it was a global stage, showcasing how cities are really weaving technology into their very fabric.
It really feels like that's where things are headed, doesn't it?
Totally. And one of the key themes that emerged from the expo was this idea of using AI to create more sustainable and efficient cities.
Yeah, makes sense. That's a big one these days.
It is a big one, and Miami is right there leading the charge.
Oh, totally. And that's actually something I wanted to ask you about because it seems like Miami's going all in on this.
They are. It's pretty impressive. And one example that really stood out from the expo was Coral Gables.
Yep.
They're doing some seriously innovative stuff. Think AI-powered crime prediction,
Wow.
even creating what they call a digital twin of the city. Have you heard of this?
I've heard the term, but I'm not really sure what it means, to be honest.
So basically, it's like having a virtual replica
Oh.
of the entire city,
Interesting.
constantly updated with real-time data. So imagine being able to simulate, say, how a new bus route would impact traffic or pollution.
Wow. That's incredible. So you're saying they can actually see the effects before anything even happens in the real world.
Exactly. It's about being proactive and making smarter decisions based on data.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
It seems like a powerful tool for urban planning.
Definitely. But it's not just the city government that's embracing AI in Miami. There's a whole wave of startups using AI to tackle all sorts of problems.
Like what, for example?
Well, one that caught my eye is called regenerate waste management.
Oh.
And they are literally using AI to make waste disposal smarter and more environmentally friendly.
Okay, so how does that work? Can you give me an example?
So imagine a system that can analyze waste streams,
Well-
identify recyclable materials,
No.
and even optimize waste collection routes.
Wow, so they're like streamlining the entire process
Exactly.
and making it better for the planet in the process. That's amazing.
It is. And it speaks to this larger trend of how AI can really be a force for sustainability.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's not just about making things faster or more efficient anymore. It's about using technology to address some of the big challenges we're facing.
You got it.
It's great to see Miami playing a role in that.
It really is. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's talk about how Miami's business world is embracing AI, because there's a lot happening on that front, too.
Yeah, for sure. AI is everywhere these days.
It really is. One company that caught our attention is called Neonflux.
I don't think I've heard of them. What do they do?
They've developed this really interesting AI software called modern.ai.
Modern.ai.
And essentially, it uses AI to automate a lot of the back-end work in e-commerce.
Interesting.
So think like personalizing the customer experience in real time.
Is it like smarter recommendations?
Exactly. And it can even help businesses fine-tune their marketing campaigns, targeting the right customers with the right messages at the right time.
That's fascinating. It sounds like it could be a game changer for a lot of businesses.
Yeah, I mean, imagine being able to tailor your marketing to each individual customer.
Yeah, that's amazing. Seems like AI is really changing the game for so many different industries.
It is, and it's not just businesses that are benefiting from this AI boom. Universities are also playing a critical role, and Florida International University is right at the forefront of this.
Oh yeah, FIU has a great reputation.
They do. They're doing incredible work in AI research and education, and they're really nurturing the next generation of AI experts.
That's great to hear.
And a perfect example of this is a group of engineering students from FIU. They developed an AI-powered platform called Mango.
Mango. Okay.
So Mango is designed to connect local farmers directly with consumers.
Interesting. So kind of like a farm-to-table marketplace?
Yeah, but powered by AI.
Oh, okay, say.
So it helps farmers manage their inventory, connect with buyers, and even optimize delivery routes.
Wow, that's really impressive. So they're using AI to support local food systems.
Exactly. And what's really cool is that they actually won a $25,000 grant from the Ford Foundation for this project.
That's incredible. Good for them.
It is. It just goes to show how AI can be used to make a real difference in people's lives. It's not just about profits.
Absolutely. And it highlights the importance of supporting young innovators and giving them the resources they need to make their ideas a reality.
100%. It's clear that Miami is really going all in on AI. From government to businesses to education, they're embracing its potential in a big way.
It's remarkable, isn't it? I mean, they're really trying to integrate AI into the very fabric of the city.
They are, and it begs the question, what kind of future is Miami building for itself with all of this?
Yeah. What does a city powered by AI actually look like in practice?
Right. What are the benefits? What are the challenges?
And perhaps most importantly, what can other cities around the world learn from Miami's journey?
It's an exciting time to be watching this evolution unfold.
For sure.
As always, thanks for joining me for another deep dive. We'll catch you next time.
See them.
Bye.